I don't know what should I expect from you.
You know, it's so hard to tell your family. It was.
I appreciate that you want to be honest with me. That helps me to understand you better, your character. My mother is think a lot, think a lot before you make decisions.
I understand that you have a lot to think about, especially, I come with a lot of baggage. I come with